if you're a U.S. citizen and if you're in love with a foreign national who's currently overseas, what are your options? My name is Otis Landerholm. I'm the founding attorney here at Landerholm Immigration, A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. If you're in love, if you want to bring in your future spouse, then let's talk and let's think about what the options are. Option number one is a tourist visa. Now, it is perfectly legal for someone who is falling in love to apply for a tourist visa to come to visit the United States temporarily for a visit. That the duration of that visit must be less than 6 months. But the thing about a tourist visa is you cannot have the intention of moving permanently into the US, because that's considered a violation of a tourist visa. The second option is what's called a fiancé visa. If you're already decided to get married, you can apply for a fiancé visa. The three requirements for a fiancé visa is the petitioner has to be a US citizen. Second, you have to be lawfully to get married. That typically means that you have to be over 18, and any prior marriage must have ended lawfully through divorce or annulment. The third requirement, you have to have met in person at least one time within the past 2 years. And so there they don't want like just internet brides, you know what I mean? Or internet spouses. Those are the requirements for fiancé visas. The fiancé visa, it's a petition process and then a consular interview. And then after they arrive into the US, then you'll have 90 days to get married and then file for their green card here. So it's a long process. The third option is a marriage-based green card consular process. So the way to do that would be to imagine they're not qualified for a visa or for whatever reason, or imagine you don't want to do the fiancé visa process, or imagine you're already married to this person. So then you can start the process right away. But basically, you go to that person's country and you get married. Once you have the legal marriage license, now you can file the I-130 petition. Assuming you're a U.S. citizen, you can file the I-130 petition on their behalf. Okay? This works for permanent residents too. Then it'll be pending for some time, and then you'll eventually coordinate a consular interview for your spouse to go to the consulate, be interviewed, and then get the visa in their passport. Once that visa is in their passport, they can enter the U.S., and then you pay an immigrant fee for the processing of their green card, and then they send the green card. Those are the three options for how to bring over someone that you love into the United States if you're a U.S. citizen or a lawful permanent resident of the United States. Hope that's helpful. Hope that's useful. I'll do another video on how to help someone that you're in love with who's already here, and I'll do that in a little bit. But for now, thank you so much for tuning in. My name's Otis Landerholm, Landerholm Immigration, A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye-bye.